Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy M01 Core and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner button so we can open the advanced camera settings. Here we are. Now we have to focus on useful features category. At the third position we have location tags option with short info from the device that this can add tags to your pictures and videos so you can see where they were taken. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when you want to save the actual location of your picture, you have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and you have to also turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, the location and the internet, to make it work. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.